And her presence here today adds immense value to this Van Mahotsav celebration, known for her commitment to tribal welfare, cultural preservation, and inclusive development. Her leadership continues to inspire.
The Bru villages, so I could not come and attend right in from the beginning. But I welcome all the dignitaries and our Honorable Minister, our MLAs from the other districts, and to all the officers who have come, the DMs and all the official people, that this program has been a grand success. It's very well arranged, and I don't want to say a lot because I can see the rains are going to come very heavy now. I've been moving around and I feel that Tripura has a huge potential for ecotourism. We are losing our forest rapidly. हम लोग अपने जंगल को जिस तरीका से खो रहे हैं, अगले 15-20 साल में हमारे पास जंगल नहीं होंगे। आज भगवान ने पानी दिया, कल पानी भी कम हो जाएगा। That is the reason today when we are talking of saving our forest, saving our environment, saving our wildlife, we all have to work together to make this dream and our earth more beautiful. I would also like to say that we have a huge potential for wildlife. And it's time, like when you go to Thailand or you go to any other country where there are these huge giants, beautiful giants as I call them, we can make a very good tourism elephant park, which I have sincerely requested also the state government, that we must focus to save our forest. Just by saving our forest and not our wildlife. Like we have a unique, the spectacle monkey which is found nowhere but in Tripura. Even the elephant which is found here is unique. It is not like the other elephants. So Gujarat can have their lions. Why can't we have our elephants? I give full support and I would be visiting the stores. If we can market our products at a good level, they can be a huge employment for the youth, and that is what we are all looking for. We must not always rely everything on the government, we have to rely on ourselves. अगर हमको अपने ऊपर विश्वास है कि हम कुछ कर सकते हैं तो हम लोग कर सकेंगे। हर चीज सरकार के ऊपर आप डिपेंडेंट नहीं हो सकते। हमारे दो हाथ है, हमको भगवान ने सब अंग दिया है, उस अंग से हमको काम करके कमा के खाना है। सब चीज एक ही दिन में नहीं मिलता, सब समय समय से मिलता है। तो थोड़ा आप हम लोग के साथ दीजिए। हम लोग फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट में भी बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स हमारे पास है। आप जानते हैं इंक्रोचमेंट है, जंगल कटता है, गार्बेज है, हम लोग अपने अच्छे पानी में गंदगी फैला रहे हैं। So every one of you have to protect the environment. Then only we can live together in harmony with nature. Today's program, like we have 8 पेड़ माँ के नाम, मैं तो इसके ऊपर एक और बोलूँगी। सेकंड प्रोग्राम बनाएंगे तो मंत्री जी को मैं बोलूँगी एक पेड़ बाप के नाम में भी होना चाहिए। सही बोले गलत बोले, कितने आदमी भी तो पसंद करते हैं। पिताजी के नाम में भी तो होना चाहिए, एक माँ के नाम एक पिताजी के नाम। मैंने किसी का हाथ ऊपर देखा, पीछे वाला, हाँ, जो अपना मुंह लुका रहा है, यस, जरा उठिए, जरा खड़ा होइए। यस, आपको शौक है तो आप लगाएंगे एक पेड़, बाप के नाम लेके आप 2 पेड़ लगाएंगे। थैंक यू, नाइस meeting you, nice knowing you from here. So let's all get together for a greener, for a brighter and for a better Tripura. Thank you so much. God bless you all. Have a good day. Dhanyavad.